Welcome to Krakow, Poland, a city steeped in history, culture, and charm. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new videos and updates. In this video, we'll delve into the cost of living in Krakow and explore some of its famous places that make it a top destination for travelers and expats alike. Let's start with the cost of living in Krakow. Accommodation. Rent prices in Krakow can vary based on location, size, and amenities. In popular districts like Old Town, Stare Miasto, Kazimierz, and Podgórze, rental prices for a one-bedroom apartment typically range from 1,500 to 2,500 PLN per month. Suburban areas and outer districts offer more affordable options, with rent starting around 1,000 to 1,500 PLN per month for similar properties. Utilities. Utilities including electricity, heating, cooling, water, and garbage collection for a typical one-bedroom apartment can cost approximately 300 to 500 PLN per month. Transportation. Public transportation in Krakow is efficient and affordable, with monthly passes, named Karta Krakowska, costing around 100 to 150 PLN for unlimited travel within the city. Single-ride tickets are also available for around 3 to 5 PLN per trip. Food and dining. Grocery costs for basic items like bread, milk, eggs, fruits, and vegetables are relatively affordable, with weekly expenses averaging around 150 to 200 PLN for a single person. Dining out at mid-range restaurants or local eateries can cost between 30 to 60 PLN for a meal, while a three-course dinner for two at a nicer restaurant may range from 100 to 200 PLN, excluding drinks. Entertainment and leisure. Krakow offers a wealth of cultural attractions, entertainment options, and recreational activities. Admission to museums, galleries, and historic sites typically ranges from 10 to 30 PLN per person. Enjoying a performance at the Krakow Philharmonic or attending a concert may cost between 50 to 150 PLN, depending on the event and seating. Whether you're exploring the historic landmarks of Old Town, delving into Krakow's Jewish history in Kazimierz, or uncovering the city's industrial past in Nowa Huta, Krakow promises a journey filled with discovery, history, and unforgettable memories. Welcome to Sofia, Bulgaria, a city steeped in history, culture, and charm. In this video, we'll delve into the cost of living in Sofia and uncover some of its most interesting places that make it a captivating destination. Let's start with the cost of living in Sofia. Accommodation. Rent prices in Sofia can vary based on location and size. In popular areas like Loznets, Ivan Vazov, and Studencki Grad, rental prices for a one-bedroom apartment typically range from 500 to 800 Bulgarian lev (BGN) per month. Suburban areas and outer districts offer more affordable options, with rent starting around 300 to 500 BGN per month for similar properties. Utilities. Utilities including electricity, heating, cooling, water, and garbage collection for a typical one-bedroom apartment can cost approximately 100 to 200 BGN per month. Transportation. Public transportation in Sofia is efficient and affordable, with monthly passes, Sofia Urban Mobility Card, costing around 50 to 70 BGN for unlimited travel within the city. Single-ride tickets are also available for around 1.60 BGN per trip. Food and dining. Grocery costs for basic items like bread, milk, eggs, fruits, and vegetables are relatively affordable, with weekly expenses averaging around 50 to 80 BGN for a single person. Dining out at mid-range restaurants or local eateries can cost between 10 to 20 BGN for a meal, while a three-course dinner for two at a nicer restaurant may range from 50 to 80 BGN, excluding drinks. Now, let's explore some of the most interesting places in Sofia. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. Visit this iconic cathedral, one of the largest Orthodox churches in the world, known for its stunning architecture and religious significance. Vytoshar Mountain. Escape the city and explore the natural beauty of Vytoshar Mountain, offering hiking trails, ski slopes, and panoramic views of Sofia and the surrounding landscapes. National Palace of Culture, NDK. Discover Bulgaria's cultural hub at NDK, featuring theatres, concert halls, art galleries, and events that showcase the country's arts and entertainment scene. Sofia Central Market Hall. Highlight: browse through this bustling market hall offering fresh produce, meats, cheeses, spices, and traditional Bulgarian products, perfect for food enthusiasts and souvenir shopping. Sofia History Museum. Learn about Sofia's past and heritage at this museum, housed in the former Central Mineral Bath building, showcasing archaeological finds, artifacts, and exhibits. Bojana Church. Explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its medieval frescoes and historical significance, located at the foot of Vitosha Mountain. Ivan Vazov National Theatre. Attend a performance or tour this iconic theatre, named after Bulgaria's national poet Ivan Vazov, and admire its neo-Baroque architecture. Borisova Gradina. Boris's garden. Relax in this large city park, featuring green spaces, walking paths, sports facilities, and a lake, ideal for picnics and outdoor recreation. Sofia Zoo. Visit this family-friendly attraction, home to a diverse range of animal species, educational exhibits, and conservation efforts. Sofia Synagogue. Explore the largest synagogue in southeastern Europe, showcasing Moorish revival architecture, religious artifacts, and a rich history of Bulgaria's Jewish community. These interesting places highlight Sofia's cultural heritage, natural beauty, and diverse attractions, offering visitors a multifaceted experience in Bulgaria's capital city. Whether you're exploring historic landmarks, enjoying outdoor activities, or immersing yourself in cultural institutions, Sofia promises a journey filled with discovery, history, and memorable experiences.